Hello everyone, my name is Airil. Welcome to my ELC video presentation. Today I'd like to talk to you about my interests: the sun, the beach, and the sea. You love coming to the beach, you love looking at the sun, and you love the breeze on your face. If that's what you love, then our interests are the same. And I trust that everyone, especially young kids, young children, as you can see there, they love coming to the beach. But it's not just kids who love coming to the beach. Us adults too, we love coming to the beach. The first reason I like to tell you is because of the breeze. It makes you feel alive. It makes you feel as if you're flying. Right? Even though you cannot fly, but the breeze, the feeling, you just got to be here with me to feel what I'm feeling right now. Second reason would be the sun. The sun. Oh yeah. The sun, as we know, gives life to everything on earth. So, when you've got the breeze and you've got the sun, and you're standing on the beach, yes, everything is complete. The third reason would be the water, the sea. Everyone, like I said just now, loves the sea. But my problem is I forgot to bring my swimming trunks. If not, I'll definitely be running into the sea, trying to swim. Even though I cannot swim, but you know, when you see water and you're on the beach, what else can you do, friends? Hey guys, what other things can you do on the beach? What can you do? Well, you can just sit, watch people watching it. People watching you, you watch people, you relax, and you have the time of your life. It's all about relaxing, feeling nature, and that's my interest. Again, I love the sun, I love the beach, and I love the sea. I love the breeze. I love the wind on me. Now, if you're feeling tired because of COVID-19 and you can't go out, well, I suggest don't wait anymore. Try to find a beach near your place and go enjoy. You don't even have to run into the water. Sit, stand, relax, and most importantly, try to feel alive. So that's my interest. What about you? Nature is all around us. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Enjoy nature with the time that you have. Because when you enjoy nature, you feel alive. Feel alive. And there's so much that you can do. So much that you can do. For me again, it's just relaxing, watching people, watching me. Don't wait anymore. Come back. Don't wait anymore. I hope to see you on my next beach adventure. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Tell me about your interest then. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next presentation. Thank you. See you. Bye. Assalamualaikum.